In this lecture, we will know how to use the mouse buttons in CATIA software. For the mouse button, generally we have three purposes. We can rotate a model, we can zoom in or zoom out, and then we can pan the model. To understand this, I go to File option, click on Open. From the project file, you can open any of the model. So I'm going to open this model 1. Select this model 1 and click on Open. So click on this View and Ground. Pick this arrow and drag it. And now we have the model. Now we are going to learn how can we rotate this model. To rotate any model in CATIA, we have to use the mouse button. First of all, we need to hold down the mouse button, and after that we need to hold down the right mouse button. After we press both the buttons, we can drag the mouse. So let's understand this in the software. To rotate this, we need to hold down the middle mouse button and right mouse button. Hold down both buttons and then drag the mouse. And now we can see this model is rotating. When we drag the mouse, this model will rotate. Next feature is zoom in and zoom out. To zoom in, we need to hold down the middle mouse button. After that, we need to make a click. We can use left click or the right click, any of the click. We need to make the click, and after that we need to drag the mouse. So let's understand this in the CATIA software. Hold down the middle mouse button and then make a click. So we can select left click or right click, any of the click. Make a click and then drag the mouse. When we drag the mouse in the outward direction, it will zoom out, and when drag the mouse in the inward direction, it will zoom in. So in this way we can zoom in and zoom out. Next thing is pan or move. How can we move any geometry in the software? To move the geometry, we need to hold down the middle mouse button and then we need to drag the mouse. So if we want to move this model, we just need to hold down the middle mouse button and drag the mouse. When we drag the mouse, we can see this model is moving with the mouse. In this way, we can use the mouse buttons.